welcome back. Today we're making some pumpkin bread, an absolute favorite of mine for this hot fall season. I can't wait to make this, so let's get baking. We're going to start out with 3½ cups of flour and add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and whisk that together before setting it to the side. In a new bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of sugar and 4 eggs, and then 1 cup of melted butter, and then we will mix this a little bit just to get a little incorporated. Now we're going to add in 1 can of pumpkin puree and mix that in as well, and then add in 1/2 cup of water and continue to mix this. Now you will add in your flour from earlier and mix this until it's all combined, and make sure that you don't have a lot of lumps in your batter. And if you do have some lumps, it's okay, you can just work them out by whisking it more and using a spatula. For our cream cheese filling, we're using 8-ounce packet of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of sugar, and then we will add in 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of flour, and whisk this together until thoroughly combined. Now you're going to line 2 pans with parchment paper, and I found that I didn't even need to spray them off. You might just need to cut them around the corners with a little knife just to get them unstuck. Now you're going to dish out a decent layer of the pumpkin batter into the bottom of both pans just to set up the base for our entire loaf. Now we make a well in the bottom of our pumpkin batter, and we're going to fill it up with the cream cheese filling and sort of make an area for the cream cheese to be in. I feel like I should have made my wells deeper, but you know, live and learn. But it's still going to be delicious. With our remaining pumpkin batter, we're going to line the edges of the cream cheese filling with both sides, so you're going to try and divide this evenly between the 2 pans and the 2 sides of the pans. Now you'll bake this at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. So here's the final product. It is a beautiful couple of slices of pumpkin bread, and I'm so excited to try this, so I'm just gonna, let's see, I'm gonna get this side, and it tears apart really easily. It's really light. I love the cream cheese filling. I love it so much. I could live off of that stuff. Yeah, I know this tastes amazing, and it's a brilliant treat to have. You could make this for Thanksgiving and it'd be an absolute hit, I'm sure. You can make 2 loaves out of this recipe. I mean, depending on how big your family is, I don't know how long it'll last. That's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. They weren't expelled. Okay. The director wanted to mix it. Say it again how you want to do it. Can I do it? Can I do it? Please? Please? He's a little baker. Look at the little baker boy. I'm going to show you the little baker boy. Look at the little baker boy.
Hey, I incorporated it for you.
Good job. You're Wheezy from Toy Story. Weezy, how'd you get up here? Hi, Woody.
Hi, Woody.
Okay. Beautifully,
Good job. You know what? I'm done.
No!
Good job.
Shut up! You're so
No.
mean.